For millennia, the greatest empires in the world made the exact same fatal mistake. Alexander the Great, the Roman legions, and the ferocious Mongol hordes all marched onto the Iranian plateau, certain they could wipe this civilization off the face of the earth forever. Any other nation would have vanished. They would have dissolved into the melting pot of history, just like the Babylonians or the Hittites. But with Iran, something inexplicable happened. Time and time again, despite losing on the battlefield, the Iranians did something no one else could do. They absorbed their conquerors. Within a few decades, the brutal invaders would begin speaking the Persian language, building Persian architecture, and even wearing their clothes. The East essentially digested the West, but their greatest weapon wasn't a sword. It was an idea. Long before Christianity or Islam, a religion was born here that turned human consciousness upside down: Zoroastrianism. For the ancient Iranian, the universe was a battlefield between light and dark. This tradition was the first in history to declare that time does not move in a circle. Time is linear. The world had a beginning, and it will have an inevitable end. When the Persians liberated the Jews in Babylon, these ideas flowed into Judaism, and eventually into the coordinates of the modern world. By 1935, the world knew this land as Persia, and a name associated with carpets and fairy tales. But the nation's leaders sent a directive to every embassy on earth. From now on, you will call us by our true ancient name, Iran, the land of the Aryans. It was a statement to the superpowers of the world. We are not an exotic colony. We are a modern nation with 5,000-year-old roots. Today, we live with a paradox. The word Persia feels like a romantic myth, while Iran triggers images of geopolitical tension. But behind both names lies the same culture that developed the ultimate mechanism for survival. They learned how to lose battles in order to ultimately win eternity.